My name is Jess and I work at Zimmer Biomet in Bridgend. My role is a Regulatory Affairs Specialist. My main role in the Regulatory Affairs department is to make sure that the implants and instruments that we sell are safe for the market, so to make sure that they meet all the regulations and standards that we have. So that starts from the very beginning when we first start to design a new instrument or implant, and that continues as long as they are on the market. So in school I did my GCSEs, I mainly did sciences and maths, and I continued that in my A-levels, so I did maths, physics and chemistry. And then after school I went to Swansea University and I studied medical engineering, and I graduated in 2020 with a master's degree. And then a few months later I got my first job here in Zimmer Biomet. I do use my engineering background quite a lot, and I really do think it helps having that sort of knowledge that I learned in university to carry over into my job here now. I think what drew me to medical in particular is it is an ever-evolving field. The technologies, the new ideas, they're advancing and developing every day, and it's really rewarding knowing that you're helping somebody, and there's always going to be a new way to help somebody or to make somebody feel better in their quality of life. So I think that's really interesting. I think teamwork is really important. I don't just work within my team, I work with all different departments. So you need to be able to communicate, especially if somebody's got a different role to you, they've got a different background to you. If you're working on a project, you need that to go effectively. So I think they're important. And as well, problem solving and using your initiative if you've got something that you need to overcome, or if you need to decide to do something a different way, they're really important skills that you need to have to be able to progress. I work with people all over the world, and again from different backgrounds, and that's something when I first started my career I didn't think I would be doing, so that's really interesting. And also just knowing that the work you're doing is helping somebody, that is really rewarding. Engineering is a really interesting career if that is what you're thinking of getting into. There's so many different disciplines, there's so many fields to go into. It's not just the main sort of mechanical jobs. For example, medical, when I started, I never really sort of thought about that as a career, but there's just so many different disciplines you can go into, and roles within an engineering company as well. Again, I didn't know what regulatory affairs was, but there's just so many little jobs which you need engineering for, and it's a very rewarding job.